Sensei, how are you, mate?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for having me on the show again.
That's all right. That's all right. We had a bit of an issue with the sound last night. Every time I speak, I get some feedback on your phone. I don't know what it was. And it was okay when you spoke, just when I spoke. Let's hope it's better tonight. I don't know what was going on there.
Turn it down a little bit.
Oh, is that what it was?
No, I'm not sure.
Anyway, so you're in France, you're in Paris, romantic city of the world with your fiance, but yet you've got time to talk to me. What's going on?
Yes, I thought I'll call in and give a little update on the Bitcoin ETF and just my thoughts.
Okay, then fire away. Give us your thoughts, mate.
Yeah. So what? The reason for the hack was because they didn't have two-factor authentication on. So
what did I say?
What we were joking about.
What did I say? I said that. That's ridiculous. Little tip to everybody. Whatever system that you've got, whatever it is that you sign into, turn on two-factor authenticator. The purpose of this is if there is any change to your account, you will be notified and you have a secure app, whether you use the Google the Google app, there's a few authenticator apps, Google and a few others. You can then, it will always check with you first about any changes. So for God's sake, everyone, go and take the trouble. I know it's a pain in the ass, but yes, go and do it. Because even the SEC don't know that. Sorry to interrupt you, Sensei. Carry on, mate.
Yeah, I mean, it is fairly ridiculous, right? I mean, they even tweeted out about a year ago to protect your accounts, put two-factor authority. I can't even say the word anymore. I'm on holiday. Anyway, yeah. They even
you're having a drink, right? Are you having a few beers? Is that what's going on?
No, not today.
Not today. No, that was yesterday. I was drunk yesterday, but I'm fine today. All right, carry on.
But yes, they didn't even follow their own advice. I think we'll do better without all their security and their market, what they're doing to help the market. But it was ridiculous at the end of the day. If they didn't have that turned on, I'm sure they fine people millions of dollars for market manipulation, and it seems like they've done it themselves. So I'm not happy with the SEC once again. I think there needs to be a change. I don't like Gary Gensler. I don't like what he's done for the crypto world. I don't think he's secured investors very well. But the good news is I think the ETF is going to be trading tomorrow on the stock exchange.
Oh, exciting.
We haven't heard it directly from the SEC, but I've been looking into it. There's filings that have been put through. On the filings, they say they're going to be starting to trade tomorrow. So that seems fairly likely that tomorrow we'll be having it trading. The market should have already priced this in. There might be another little pop when the SEC themselves actually announce it, when the markets close or a bit after market close. So we'll see if there's another little pop, but I do expect the price of Bitcoin to really have a sell the news day tomorrow. I think I'll give it a nice 70% likelihood that we're going to have a real bad red day tomorrow, and a 30% chance that the sell the news was priced in and people are buying in. But when I have something more than a 50%, I don't mind taking a trade on it and having stop loss. So that's what I'm in currently. I've got a short trade on Bitcoin. I posted on the Discord. I think my stop loss is somewhere around 50,000, just above, and my take profit is close to 40,000. So, and that was entered around 47,500. So, something like that. I don't know the exact numbers because I don't have it right in front of me. It's on the Discord, but my stop loss is definitely around 50,000. My take profit's around 40,000. So we'll see how that plays out tomorrow. We do see a lot of money. I saw a question from Niels. I answered it in the chat, but I'll reiterate. Ethereum's up on the day fairly nicely, 5 to 10%. But I think what that is a rotation of capital coming out of Bitcoin going into Ethereum, because people have seen that the Bitcoin trade is completed now. The ETF is now here. Now they want to make some more money. What's the next narrative? Maybe going into Ethereum that hasn't had much of a run up as Bitcoin has, and people want to put their money somewhere else. But yet again, I wouldn't be doing that. I'll just be taking profits and keeping it on the sideline, because if Bitcoin dramatically comes down, which it could do, then Ethereum will also come down with it, along with the altcoin market. So I think there is better buying opportunities down the line, maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe even tomorrow if we have a big crash event. But it'll be exciting to see it tomorrow, how it's going to trade on the stock market, and it'll be nice to see a Bitcoin ETF on the stock market.
Thank you very much for that information. Several people messaged me saying, was you and Sensei really arguing the other day? That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's fun. I love having a small disagreement, and I mean, this is why we do it. We want to give as many not for the argument. I mean, we never really argue or having
we do.
fun, but having all the different perspectives is why I started calling into the show, giving the perspective of crypto, giving my thoughts and opinions, and that's why I love calling in and giving my ideas. We like to inform our audience as much as we can.
Absolutely great. Sensei, it looks cold where you are now. I can see steam blowing out your mouth. It's cold. Thanks for calling in. Go get back to your fiance on your romantic holiday in Paris or wherever you are, and look forward to having you back on the show later on.
Yes, as do I. Thank you very much, Martyn. Bye-bye.
Cheers, mate. There you go. Very nice indeed. There was Sensei Crypto calling in from his holiday over there in France. Wonderful stuff. So there you go. That's Sensei's thoughts on what's going on right now with Bitcoin. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. Click above my head, down in the description, over here and over here. You have the break. I'll show you the video of when we broke the news about the ETF, and then oopsie doopsie, things didn't quite turn out quite as they expected. Go and check that out. Oh, and by the way, very, very important point there. We just talked about the second factor, the two-factor authenticator. Very, very important. Remember years ago, everybody was talking about being scammed on their phones and having their voicemail hacked. Remember that big drama of the voicemail hacked? I don't blame anybody who hacked it. There you go. It's on the record. Well, I do. It's not right. It's not right to hack someone's phone. But you are responsible for your security. Do you know how many smart people, how many rich celebrities got really upset? I don't know, what was it? Flipping Prince Harry and God knows, oh, I've been hacked. You've been hacked because you couldn't be bothered turning on security on your phone. What do I mean? They bought themselves a nice iPhone. I'm the Prince of England. I'm buying myself a brand new iPhone, but I'm too stupid to realize I've got to turn on my security, which is not even a surprise, because when you set up your voicemail, it says, do you wish to set up a PIN? Nah, can't be bothered. I'll leave it like that. I'm just the Prince of England. What happened? They left it on 1234 or 9999 or 00. The standard. Change it. Go into your iPhone right now. Pick up your phone. Go into your voicemail settings and change your voicemail settings to your PIN. Don't leave it as default. Simple, really. So, is it their fault they got hacked? Yep, it's their fault. If you leave your front door of your house open, don't be surprised when someone walks in. You might as well leave the key outside and say, come and help yourself. Here's the front door key, just in case you can't be bothered to turn the handle. Unbelievable. So, for your security of everything that you have, crypto, money, God knows what else, bank accounts, you name it, turn on two-factor authenticator and change your PIN. Give it any PIN you want, but not 1234 or 0000. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.